Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today, and today is our first video of 2019, and this year is going to be a crazy year. We're already starting off big. As you guys saw from the title of the video, we are installing the biggest ducktail wing I could find on eBay. I'm really excited for it, so we're going to flip the car around, install our old trunk, because this is one we have from this NB2 with the wing, has holes in it for bolts, and I don't want water getting in my trunk and holding it out. Give you guys a first cold start, 2019, so let's get out there, start working on the car. Alright guys, so here is the trunk and the old wrap, and if you know before that this was messed up, so yeah, we can take this wrap off and the wrap that's on the wing, sell this thing for like $75, put it back into the Miata. So let's take this wrap off, probably resand this thing and make it look a little bit better. Alright, the trunk is now on. As you can see, I did a cut down the center again because right here it would start like crinkling really bad and it's just really hard to get out, so I cut it and laid it flat on this panel first, and yeah, so it's a two-piece trunk, but it looks really good. Let's get that big ducktail and just mock it up and see how it looks. Dang, that looks sick, dude. Holy crap. So I mean, it'll sit like that. We're gonna black that third brake light out again, but dang, it looks so good. We're gonna leave it black too, just to match the front lip, but dang, it looks so good. Let's just get some double-sided tape and set it on and be done with it. Well, that is set on and it looks absolutely sick. Now we just gotta tint this really quick. It should take like 5 seconds, and just make everything back here, all the accents and everything, black. All right guys, so I'm gonna go take a quick edit of the car. I know I don't do that much, but this year we're gonna start it off again. Probably every new mod, we'll do a quick edit of the car. Hopefully the wing doesn't fly off to where I'm going. So yeah, let's get to the shooting spot and show you guys what this wing really looks like on the car.
Perfect.
This is disgusting. So happy my car is still in stock height. Changing so soon though, oh my goodness. There's only one way to get out of this dirt. Put your foot. Jeez, so much dirt. Dang, look at those miles. I'm 1 mile away from hitting 111,900. I've almost put 1,000 miles on this in 3 months. Dude, we gotta keep these miles down. Just kidding, I don't really care. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's install on the new big wing. I mean, it's not a wing, it's a ducktail, but it's awesome. I'm happy. It looks really good on the car, but we do have something really cool for the channel coming in some of the upcoming videos, but it is here now, and it is the new project car. But I can't say much about it until the reveal. Until the next video, when you guys see the project car or whatever is next, I'll see you guys then. But until then, goodbye.